Alrighty, YouTube. This is a 1985 Dodge Ram 50, 2.6 cylinder, liter, 4-cylinder, and this is my truck. I'm pretty much making this video just to mainly because I don't see that many freaking Dodge Ram videos anymore, and just thought I'd make one, show you guys what I did to it. A couple things, not really too much has been done apart from stock. This paint job is aftermarket. The original color was gray and he decided to paint it. As it turns out, the paint wasn't that good, so I just started putting plasti dip on it. I put it on my motorcycle too, and plasti dip is good when it's like a piece of crap. Plasti dip there, plasti dip almost everywhere really. I plasti dip this red line, race line, some duct tape on some cracks. You don't really need to spend a lot when it's in such conditions, right? But yeah, I think it looks good. These are I assume steel rims, or I assume which are steel. These tires are new. They all got 4 new tires. I put in 4 new tires. Just hope to share it. This is like a little sticker. I don't know if that's OEM. It has like a race line. I guess that's what you can call it. I can show you the lights. That's what it looks like. I don't know if this was stock. This looks pretty badass. Has even a license plate light. I think that was stock. So yeah, it goes all the way around. There's a bit of wiring issue. The brake light didn't flash anymore, so it's just the wiring. $100 to fix that. The interior is beautiful. There's so many fucked up cars, you see, and I cursed. Well, there goes my money. But as far as interiors go, this is a very beautiful interior. I'll try to keep it that way. Everything is stock. That right there is a stick. It is a 5-speed manual. I didn't say that. Should have. Radio. Nice speakers. Walmart speakers. Has a Walmart battery as well. I didn't put that, but has 60k miles. Original. That's the gauges. Let you see it a little longer. You can pause the video, but everything works. Air conditioning still does pump the cold air. Heater still blows hot. It is a pretty good truck. When I personally got it for $900, if you can believe it or not. It was kind of a steal. I kind of bought this truck just to really have a second vehicle that's not a motorcycle. I used to ride a lot, a little bit less now, but SoCal is pretty simple to ride every day if you have the heart, which I did for a long year. And I just wanted a car or a truck, something that's reliable, and I just take it to work or school or something like that. Whatever. I just want to ride, haul some stuff as well. This is a pretty big bed. I believe it's a long bed, a long cab, extended cab. Definitely not a regular. I believe. It has a bed liner. does have a bed liner. It came with it when I bought it. It came with the bed liner. The paint job was kind of messed up. I mean, that's some scruffs. I painted that black, that fuel thing black. I painted the rims black because they were rusted. I painted the bumper black. You know, not all about the paint though. That's not all I invested in. But you know, the mirrors came with it. I tinted the windows because the sun was kind of a pain in the ass. The muffler was pretty much new. The resonator was not. That's what at least that's what the mechanic told me. Either way, I went to a shop and they put a pipe, started a pipe down there. It had a big ass hole. It was like rusted, corroded, and I patched it and there was still holes down there, and it was pretty fucking terrible idea to try and patch something that's so messed up, you know. So yeah, I'll show you the engine bay now. I'll show you the compartments a little bit better too. I'm not really going in the order. You guys can skip whatever you want nowadays. You know, I'll go over some of the little other details, the issues that I had, you know, mechanical wise. I'll try not to go past too long, because it's kind of annoying to watch such a long ass video. For one thing. All right. Oh yeah, and I painted that black. Oh shit. Oh yeah, and if you see that Honda steering thing, it was in my attic. I just chopped it up and zip tied it. But this is the engine. This is a 2.6 liter. It is a Mitsubishi engine, which is better than American engines, as you can tell why, as most consumers buy Japanese, and I buy Japanese as well. Used mostly, for the most part. I mean, this is I mean, I have changed, as far as the changes I have done to this engine. I just put an air filter, a new fuel filter, which in the beginning the original owner of this truck had put a new carb. We went to the same exact shop he went, and you know, a year later it had an issue where it was getting clogged, and he sprayed some cleaner and it was better. And it didn't last long though, because it was already dirty. I had to put a fuel filter. It didn't have a fuel filter. They didn't put it. They assumed it was somewhere else, you know. These are not the most common engines, obviously. Or he could have tried to screw me, don't matter. Not anymore, because it's already, you know, it's already good to go. It's a guarantee. Hoses, the original owner put hoses on it, new hoses. You know, it looks very clean. Try to get a light down there so you can kind of make out this. See here. There you go. See this camera. So there's the engine. Pretty damn clean, you know, for 30 years. I mean, there can be lots of abuse and wear and tear, but no, it was a good ownership of the last. The radiator cap was an issue for me. I went to AutoZone, I bought one. That cap was defective, and it caused me a fucking problem, which it was leaking, losing coolant. I went to, well, I shouldn't name names, but I went to Napa, and they gave me this nice ass cap, which you pay extra for it, but it has a little lever, and not defective, it's perfect. Works better than the other one I bought at AutoZone, the Duralast one, radiator cap. The battery is a Walmart battery, you know. I mean, I'm not too happy about that, but it's still cranking everything. Here's the reservoir, windshield reservoir. It actually still sprays the windshield fluid. The motor still runs, if that's the thing. The motor for the windshield works. A lot of things work still for this truck. The belts, they look new. I'm sure he put them new. The original owner of when I bought this. Yeah, I mean the mechanical stuff. I put a new clutch in here because the old one was already trying to shift like a piece of, you know, like a piece of junk, you know. It was very, very worn. The clutch was. Their transmission was good. It shifts like nothing now. You know, I mean, yeah, it looks very nice. I mean, as far as you know, the age goes, I will start it up for you guys. See how what's my time frame here? But, all right, 11 minutes. That's not too bad, I guess. I'll start it up because it's getting a bit too long. You know, I don't see too many videos of this truck, and I just thought I'd share. You know, I see some on Instagram, but you know, they don't really talk about, you know, why they got the truck, or what the you know, the problems are, or any of that shit. So, you know, I want to know that stuff before, you know, you buy something. I do recommend buying this truck. I mean, if you are looking at one somewhere in this world, let's see here. There you go, starts right up as expected. Turn the lights on because we're in the dark, I guess. Alright, so as I said, it's pretty much as stock as possible. I mean, look at that, no vibrations, no nothing. I mean, for 900 bucks, guys, I got a freaking steal. I also put new high beams. Oh fuck. Yeah, I don't do nothing, but I put new high beams, and it's just you know, just for my convenience sake. I mean, I'd rather have the stuff than not have the stuff, you know. They work. They're a lot brighter too. So yeah, looks pretty badass. Or, you know, I assume back then this was a pretty, like, a overzealous, like over sporty, you know, over sporty. But it's kind of nice, you know, to have the sport aspect, you know. I mean, yeah, I'll give it a couple revs. I mean, you guys can hear it. Sitting in the parking lot isn't so different. And the reason I'm doing this at night is because, well, the place I wanted to go was more scenic. But you know, the cops usually go there, and they go there. And I'll give it revs. It has no tachometer. Sorry, I can't talk. The tack is not there. So I'll give it a couple revs though. It doesn't sound too loud. I prefer my car is a little bit quieter. So yeah, there you go. Try to do it from the outside. I think somebody's coming. That's all I can do. Yeah, this is a 1985 Dodge Ram 50 2.6 liter 5-speed manual. That's what I wanted to say in the beginning. So yeah, you know, if you guys stumble on this video, you know, share what you think about it, you know. like, and you know, enjoy the video, I guess. You know, I mean, these are becoming more rare and rare, and just thought I'd share a piece of you know, automotive history, I guess, which is you know, I like this truck. I mean, there's not that much wrong with it. And you know, so far. But you know, I actually use this truck like specifically not as a daily, like my main thing, but it is pretty goddamn good. And the fuel mileage, oh man, it's a lot better than most vehicles nowadays, right? Yeah, I don't know how long this video will take to upload, but god damn it, it will be uploaded. And yeah, that'll do it, guys. See ya.